Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an unboxing video to share with you and it is from Latest Beauty and this is the Beauty Saviours edit box for January. So as always, if you're new to Latest Beauty, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you're just interested in seeing what I chose for this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Latest Beauty is a UK only monthly subscription box and it's a little bit different as you get to choose the products that go inside the box. Every month you can choose up to 6 products and it'll cost you £10 a box and £2.95 shipping. Every month they bring out an edit right at the start of the month, so if you were to go on any of the social media sites or their website, you'll be able to see all the products that are going to be available for that particular month. They release products daily and you're not always certain when they are going to release certain products, so it can be that you might be waiting a whole month before you choose your products. Now my best advice for you is to subscribe right at the start of the month or as close to the start as possible. Say if you start on the 5th of February, the money comes out straight away and then you've got until the end of February to choose your products. If you don't choose by the end of February, then you will be sent a random 6 product box. So you've got a whole month to choose from, and then the following month your subscription renews on the 5th of March. As opposed to subscribing say on the 28th of the month, you have literally only got a couple of days to choose your products, which I don't think is worth it. No, my best advice is if you are going to subscribe to the subscription, do it as close to the start of the month as possible, just so that you've got more of a scope, more of a chance of getting products that you really want. So once you subscribe for 3 months or more, you become a pro, and as well as having your shipping knocked off your subscription, you are entitled to have discounts off any offers that they have running on their website. As well as the subscription boxes, they bring out what is known as collection boxes, which are limited edition boxes, and these collection boxes come out roughly every say month to 6 weeks or so, they do come out quite frequently, but they're one-off boxes. You don't have to subscribe, they just release them. If you want them, you buy them. If not, then you don't have to, but you get to see exactly what's in the boxes. They've recently come out with a collection box called Fabulous What's Hot 2021, and for instance the cost of the box is £32, the value is £128. If you are a pro subscriber, so that means you're subscribed for 3 months or more to their monthly subscription box, you then get 15% off that, the price of the box. So it's worth signing up to Latest Beauty website, I think, even if you're not a subscriber, just so that you're in the know of when offers come about, if there's any discounts. Currently they've got £5 off all collection boxes for anyone, and that is code LBCOL5, and also they do sometimes have discount codes for you to receive your first box for £10. If I can find any extra codes, especially for February boxes, I'll pop down in my description, as well as links to the subscription and all their collection boxes they've got on their website currently. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. But before I show you, I forgot to tell you that I am currently on the Latest Beauty PR list, so I'm really grateful to them for sending me these boxes out for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. I've been with them now for over a year, and yeah, I'm really grateful, and it's all thanks to you for all you lovely lot supporting my channel, so thank you. They send me a code monthly, so then I'm able to choose the products that I want. In every monthly edit they bring out a Hall of Fame product, which is their hero product of the month. That means that it will be available all throughout the month, and as you might guess, a lot of products that you will see on the website may not last. It all depends on how popular they are, but the Hall of Fame product will last. They've got enough stock basically to last for the whole month. Hall of Fame product for January is by Skin Chemist, and this is a Rose Illuminating Glow Peel Off Mask, and we've got 50 mils here. When I think of Skin Chemist, I just think of their lip balm, the plumping lip balm, which I don't rate great for plumping, but actually as a treatment lip balm on your lips is amazing, really great. Yeah, so that's what it looks like there. So it's a peel off mask. Can I give you any extra information about it? It says apply a thick, opaque, even layer to clean, dry skin, avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline and lips, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry. Gently peel off the mask from outer edges and rinse off the residue with warm water. Use once or twice a week. Ooh, and also as well, I'm just remembering all these facts as I'm going along, that even though they bring out a brand new edit at the start of every month, if they still got the stock there at the end of the month, it'll roll on to the following month. So you might be watching this thinking, well, Claire, you chose these for January. What's the point in showing these and talking about them? There is a good chance that if you're interested in any of the items that I'm showing you, you'll still be able to get it if you're interested in subscribing in February or even March even. So yeah, so they don't all sell out. They usually just roll on until they're no more. So that's the first item. Next, I've got some wax melts. I love wax melts. I absolutely love them. And this is Bedtime Baby Scented Wax Melt. And this is by the brand Sassy Shop Wax. I absolutely love them. I've got a big drawer in a unit downstairs full of little wax melts like this. I was expecting it to smell stronger actually, but that could be because it's all wrapped up. Look at that. See, it looks like good enough to eat, doesn't it? I just think it's the shape. It just reminds me of chocolate. Oh, that is nice. It is nice. I don't know what's in there. It's sort of floral. Maybe lavender. Oh, I don't know. No, that is nice. Definitely a more subtle one, which is sometimes nice because some wax melts are really, really strong, aren't they? Really strong. But no, I really like that. That second item I chose. Next looks like a bra. This is quite cool. It's an eye mask. This is by Smug. I'll get it out and show you now. This is the original Contour 3D Blackout Sleep Mask. Eyelash friendly. It says, good things come to those who sleep. Look at that. I think there's a couple of designs on their website. It just looks like a little mini, like strapless bra. Doesn't it? Okay, so it goes on like that. Oh, look. Look. I'll give that a try at the end of the video. I won't try it on now, just in case everything goes all tits up and I can't get my hair right. You know what it's like. So I'll try that on at the end of the video. But that's so cool, isn't it? I like it so far. And it's got Velcro strap then at the back. Next, I got a product by OK. This is a Korean skincare brand. This is an illuminating serum. Retains moisture, plumps. It contains hyaluronic acid with vitamin B3. And there's 30 mils here. Now, this brand is well known for their face masks, their sheet masks. And yeah, I'm just starting to see more and more of their skincare through different subscription boxes, which is nice because it's a little bit different. But yeah, the ingredients sound really lovely. So you've got a hyaluronic serum there. Hydrate and glow with this super serum packed full of skin-loving ingredients. Hyaluronic acid helps the skin retain moisture, while the rich formula helps to even and improve the appearance of skin tone. So there's that. Next I got a product by AT. I think that's what it is. I'm sure I've had something from this brand before and I wasn't sure on how to pronounce it. So it's AT and this is Oh My God or OMG Precise Eyeliner. And again, I think there was different types of eyeliner. I went for a precise one, which meant that it had brush nib. But they had a definer one, I think, which was a felt nib. So yeah. I like eyeliners and my preference is a brush nib. You could just get a really gorgeous, nice, fine line. Yeah, I'm making a right mess there. La la la. It's an eyeliner. So there's that. And then lastly, it's a product by Ole Henriksen and it's the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. And this is only a 7 ml little teeny tiny one. But I absolutely love this cleanser. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I was lucky enough to be sent in PR to try out some of their products a couple of months ago and the cleanser was in there. And yeah, I really do like it. Oh my gosh, look how teeny tiny that is. So the reason I chose this is because I know I love it and I'm going to pop it in my travel box. Got a big box and it's getting bigger as the year's going on, the longer lockdown is going on, but it's full of little travel minis of products that I really like. So then if ever I go away for the night or a weekend or a week or whatever, whenever, next year maybe, I don't know, then I've got a little selection ready to use. So I'm going to pop that straight in there. So it says cleanses and removes makeup with orange fruit water and PHA. It helps loosen and lift dead skin cells to reveal bright, energized skin. Enjoy your daily detox and your purified, refreshed Olay glow. Yeah, I really do like that. So those are all the items. So to recap, I'll just go through them one by one. So I chose a Skin Chemist Revitalizing Glow Peel Off Mask, Omg Precise Liquid Eyeliner, a little Ole Hendrickson Truth Juice Cleanser, an OK Illuminating Hyaluronic Serum, a Sassy Shop Wax, a gorgeous wax melt, and lastly a Smug Contoured Eye Mask, which I promised I'll show you on. So let's get it on. Let's get it on. Right. Get this tightly around my head. Okay. Oh, that is so good. That completely blocks out. Considering I've got a ring light right in front of me, I can just see a very, very, very faint light near my nose. But if I position it a bit lower. Oh my word. Yeah. Oh, it feels really nice as well. Do I look really odd? Bumblebee eyes. I'll just pull this up because it's a little bit weird me talking to you when you can't see me. Normally I have a love-hate relationship with sleep masks. They have to be quite loose on my head. But no, I really like this one. I really do like this sort of padded bra type effect. Genius. Genius. So I hope you enjoyed watching. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this monthly subscription box? What I chose? Are you a subscriber? Did you choose any different items than me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, even if you think this isn't for you. Still love to know. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.